Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to get a premium plan on Spotify. So this is a easy process to do, and the first step is go to the application here, the Spotify application, and here the first thing you need to do is go here in the superior left corner in the bubble of your profile. And here in the bubble of your profile, you need to go to the option of settings and privacy. And here in settings and privacy, you need to pick here in Go Premium. So in Go Premium, you got a lot of options. You got the individual plan. This is for one person, students. This is one account too. You got the dual plan for two plus person and the family plan. So this is the plan. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.